Spacewood, India's leading name in modular furniture for over 30 years. A 1 million square feet facility powered by 2000 plus skilled experts and the latest automation where technology crafts lifestyle. At the core lies precision driven by advanced European machinery. A fully automated line and stringent quality control at every step. Every module is engineered with unmatched consistency, accuracy and attention to detail. Spacewood adheres to the highest global standards ISO, FIRA, BIFMA, validated by our in-house labs and robust systems. Choose from Extro, ceramics, crystal, acrylic, PU paint, membrane foil, polyglass and more. Each crafted on high-quality HMR HDF or MDF with warranties of up to 10 years. All engineered to elevate everyday functionality. From sleek glass shutters with aluminium frames to expansive walk-in closet with options in swing and sliding systems. Presence in 27 cities, 35 experience centers and 500 plus dealer partners. The number tells the story of trust. From individual kitchen to full-scale residential and institutional projects, Spacewood offers modular solutions that scale across needs. With 100% in-house manufacturing and dedicated execution teams, every project is delivered with precision and accountability. With over 1 million satisfied customers, Spacewood continues to transform spaces with purpose, performance and style. Spacewood, precision engineered kitchens and wardrobes designed for life, delivered with trust.